Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log into the Netflix app on your phone. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up Play Store. After the home page of Play Store opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the search bar, type in NETFLIX and click the search button. Once you click on the search button, the Netflix app will appear on your screen. On the right hand side of the Netflix app, you'll see the install button. Go ahead and click on it. Once the Netflix app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, an open button will appear on your screen. Go ahead and click on that open button. After you click on that open button, you'll be guided to the Get Started page of Netflix. On this page, on the top of your screen, you'll see the sign in button. So go ahead and click on it. After you click on the sign in button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in your email or phone number here, your password here, and then click on the sign in button. Once you click on the sign in button and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically signed in to Netflix on your phone. I hope this video helped you to download and log into Netflix on your phone. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.